see Snapchat ghost followers without an app. So let me tell you guys, you cannot see a master list of ghost followers on Snapchat because the platform does not provide a built-in feature or traditional followers list to track them. Third-party apps that claim to find ghost followers often violate Snapchat support terms of service and put your account at risk of being permanently banned. However, you can easily hunt them down manually right inside the official Snapchat app by identifying indicators of inactive or one-sided accounts. Now what you can do is check for the Snap score. If you add someone as a friend but they do not add you back, or if they have quietly removed you, they become a ghost follower. You can find them by looking at their profile. Simply open the Snapchat app, then tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now scroll down and then tap on My Friends. Then tap on a friend's name to open their profile card. Now look directly under their name and username. If they follow you back, you will see a numerical Snap score next to their username. Now if they are a ghost follower, the Snap score is hidden. If you only see their username, they have either removed you or never added you back. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.